And this is what we get. Just simulated 56 frames. And I think this is interesting variation. I think it's coming in a bit too strong still, the advection volume. I don't feel as much of a gradient as I would like, so I'm going to be adjusting that. The other thing I want is to play with the source and have a bit more variation. So yeah, I'll take care of those adjustments and do another simulation. So let's stop this and let's go back. For the sake of those adjustments, I'm going to turn off pop fluid. It's going to be much faster. These two, I'm going to disable them and just put them to the side. These were just for demonstration purposes. I'm also not using pop attract, which is something I forgot to turn on. That's something that I definitely want to keep applying. And let's go to our source. And on the set V, I want to make sure that the speed frequency seems to be a bit too high. So let's go with 8. Maybe 8 is okay. Let's have a look. This is just for the speed. Okay, and a bit more amplitude here, 0.3, so we can have more variations. And I think this should give us something interesting. Turn this back up. Oh, the pop effect by curve. I'm gonna kind of have a more soft curve and the velocity blend reduce it slightly. I think that's it. So let's check it out. Yes, this seems more interesting. The transition now is softer. I am considering adjusting the scale of the velocity volume because it seems like they accelerate a bit too much when they, yeah. So I'm gonna adjust the velocity scale to 0.6, and I think that that velocity will make more sense. Considering the velocity of the burst and the ricochet, yeah, I think this seems more coherent. Cool. This with the pop fluid will definitely look better. But we've done enough up to this point, and we'll move on to the next lesson where we're going to be making our velocity volume much more interesting.